Okay, need to wrap up this video about my chainsaws, getting them ready for work. Mosquitoes are out. But this guy here, I figure I show him. He's the latest one that I bought. This is the Stihl, the 181c, with kind of different features. It comes with these caps now that I don't know if I'm gonna like. I feel that debris is gonna get in there. That's what I feel about it. I really don't know if I kind of like that yet. I think I only used this once, and I haven't really gave it a really good try. But kind of felt weird. I don't know if you see this, but now it comes with this spring here. It's got a spring over here. I guess it has something to do with vibration. It felt weird, I have to say. I have to give it another try to see how I feel about it, about this spring. I don't know. I'm for one, I hate change. There's nothing wrong with the chainsaws from way back then. But we'll give it a try. See what this is a little bigger. I got the 16-inch because all the other ones are 14s. I got big trees, and sometimes I need a little bigger, little chain. So I'm going to wrap up this video. What we're going to do is I'm not even going to open it up because it's pretty clean. This one has, like I said, a 16, and this is the points 43, the 043 chain and bar. This is tight. That's how it came from the dealership. I don't know if I'm supposed to hit this until I see gasoline come in. But I'll do is I'll start her up just to see if it starts, and then I'll take you over here. I got a piece of a tree that I need to cut. I'm going to give that one a try. Set you up a little different here. Let's see. Well, you can see the mosquitoes. Look at them all. They are like all over the place. All right, I'll hit this. I see some gas there. Oof. And I don't know if this is a half pull or not. We'll see. It is. It's a half pull. I don't know so far. Anyway, let me take you and set you up over here. Do a quick cut. Just set you up over here like this so you can see Oh well. How was that? Okay. That's a big trunk of a tree there. I'm gonna have to cut this in 3, because if not I won't be able to move it. Let me get the chainsaw. I hate it. I hate it already. Got no power. I think I got more power in the 180 than this 181. Gee. Anyway, I guess I keep using it. Not happy with this guy at all. And of course, if you go any higher than this, you'll be paying a lot of money. So, trees like this I usually cut with the other one that I have, a number 1, the one that I bought at the beginning of time. I'm going to make a video out of that one. The problem is that it's a really vintage chainsaw, and I hate to use it, but that's the only time I take it out, is to cut things like this. This is huge. Gotta be, I don't know, 30 inches or so. Anyway, let's stop this video. Not too happy with this guy, but I have it with me. And with that, I want to thank you for watching. And we'll do that other video of my number 1 chainsaw. Okay, I guess I'm back again. I did mention that it looks like this 180 felt like it got more power than the 181. Okay, let's see if it's true. I have here 180. This one has a 14-inch bar, but it's got the thicker chain to .050. Let's do a cut here. Let's see what we get out of it. There you go. That one cuts a little wider than that one. But of course, that's a big piece of trunk of a tree. For this little guy, there he is smoking. Look at him. That's a little bit too much for this. That's why I usually take out the other one that I have. I'll make a video out of that one. And actually, I'm going to leave this trunk right where it is, and we'll make a cut with that one. You see the difference. Anyway, I figure I'd show this guy in action. And there you go. Thanks for watching.